Hello and welcome back. So we created our hero area. The next thing we're gonna do is create our header and footer. So I'm gonna go to the WordPress backend and under design, header and footer, I'm gonna edit the header and we're gonna create a container, set the min height to 80 pixels and the width to full width. And on the advanced tab, I'm gonna add 30 pixels left and right padding. And inside the header, we are gonna place 3 containers. Then select the main container and set the direction to horizontal. And inside this left container, we're gonna display our menu. So I'm gonna add the navbar widget. And under source, I'm gonna select existing menu. And let's go to the style tab and remove the padding. And let's center this menu vertically. So in the demo, we are enabling the hamburger menu in desktop as well. So let's do that here as well and show the label. I'm gonna change the icon to this menu icon. Next, we're gonna display the logo. You can do that using either the image widget or the icon widget. In this case, we're gonna use the icon widget and upload our SVG logo and go to style tab, set the color to accent color, and let's reduce the size and select the container and justify the logo to the center. And on the third container, we're gonna display the user bar, which includes different components. Let me first center it. And now I'm gonna add a few different components. First one is gonna be notifications. I'm gonna change the icon. The next component is messages, and I'm gonna upload this inbox icon. And the next one is the user menu. And for the user menu, we want to display the avatar and also enable the username. And finally, we're gonna create a custom link. Let's add the plus icon. And this component will link to the submission form for the places post type. So to do that, we can pull the link dynamically, or we can just paste the link here. Let's do it dynamically under dynamic tags, site, post types, places, create post link. Let's select the container and align the items to the end. And now I'm gonna select the header and let's apply bottom border of 1 pixels and select the border color. Let's see how it looks so far. So it's almost there. Let's change the colors a bit. Let me select the user bar widget and go to style, and I'm gonna change the icon color to this gray color. And on the hover state, I want the icon color to be a darker shade, so let's select this one. So we will get back to the header later, but for now, another thing that I want to enable is make the header sticky. So to do that, I will go to the document settings here, Voxel, and sticky position, and here I'm going to enable sticky position on desktop and set the top value to 0. So now when you scroll the page, the header is sticky. We can see a problem right away. The image is going over the header. To solve this, first of all, we're gonna apply a white background color to the header. And also we're gonna increase the Z index for the header to something like 200 and save. So now everything is working correctly. So the next thing we're gonna do is create the footer. So under footer, let's edit the default footer and add a container. I'm gonna add 30 pixels padding, and inside the footer we're gonna place a text widget and just paste this copyright text, and also we're gonna add the actions widget, and the action that I want to use is the back to top action. Let's set the label to back to top, and let's upload an icon. Let's go to the style tab, and let me increase the space between the icon and the text, and also reduce the icon size a bit, and set the color to gray. And on the hover state, I want the color of the icon and the text to be a darker shade. Save changes. So right now we have created both our header and footer. We will get back to this later and add more things to them, and also fix the responsive styling. But for now we will move on.